YouTuber, it's Shelly the Nuttican. Anyway, okay, so a while ago, I had gone to Ollie's, and for my birthday present, I believe, I asked for this sharper image sound machine. So at nighttime, if you're having trouble falling asleep, which I do a lot, it's pretty cool. It is, you can put batteries in it, so like if you're traveling or whatever, or it also comes with a power adapter that goes into a plug. It's not USB. Remember those days? Anyway, so you have multiple buttons. So I'm not really sure. I haven't looked at this for a while. So it's got the fade, the timer, the volume. Not really sure what relax, sleep, or renew means. We'll have to check that out. Anyway, so basically, so when you push it on, it goes to white noise. Let me put the volume up. That's the white noise. Then you have, let me see, hold on. So, under these, okay, so the renew category would be rainforest, ocean, tranquil, or relax. And then under the sleep mode, we have stream, which just pretty much is going to make you get up and go to the bathroom like every 10 minutes. You have campfire, which will probably make you wake up and think that your house is on fire. Calm, or meditate. Then under the relaxing category, we have white noise, rain, which will make you just want to stay in bed thinking that it's raining outside, and ambiance, and peace. So then, so that's with the volume all the way up. So, anyway, when I went to Ollie's, I believe this was only $19.99. When I just went now and searched under Sharper Image, this isn't on their website anymore, so it's probably an older model. But I'm pretty sure last time I was at Ollie's, they still had them. So upon searching the Sharper Image website, the cheapest one I found was like $79.99. And then there's another one. I'll have to put the price down there, but that one actually has like a custom one where you can mix a whole bunch of sounds together to make your own sound. But for $19.99, this is a hell of a friggin' deal. Hell of a deal. I totally give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. It's one of the top 10 of the year. Not as good as, but as a product goes, yes. I totally give it a thumbs up. Also, okay, so when I looked, it did not make the top 10 list. But I will provide for you the top 10 list out there, but they're not anywhere near this price category. I think there was one that's near the price category. But I will give you the top 10 list of the sound machines. But for someone that they find it hard to go to sleep, or the noise outside, like I live next to a bar, which when they're playing it, stuff they call music nowadays, which I could do that every time I'm freaking pissed off. I could be the lead singer. What are you doing? Get the... You know what I mean? I could totally be a lead singer. Anyway, so I'll give it a thumbs up. You can find it at Ollie's for, I believe, $19.99. And I will give you a list of the other ones that made the top 10 list, just in case you're interested. And anyway, it's Shelly the Nut with another review from the Sharper Image Sound Therapy Machine. Check back for more products.